Hi there, students. I came across a really good word the other day, the Anglosphere. Okay, the Anglosphere is the sphere of influence of the Anglo-American English-speaking nations. And I think the core nations of the Anglosphere are Australia, Canada, New Zealand, the United Kingdom, and the United States. And clearly, all of these countries, we have exactly the same language, and there are very close cultural and diplomatic links between each other, and they're also linked with various military and security programs. Okay, so the Anglosphere. You could probably also include in the Anglosphere South Africa, Ireland, and the British West Indies as well. Um, let's see. So the Anglosphere. In some ways, it's difficult to define exactly, but if you talk about the core Anglosphere, these are the Aussies, the Canadians, the New Zealanders, the Brits, and the Yanks. Yeah. Let's see. The English-speaking world or the Anglophone world is slightly different. Um, okay, so there are I think 88 English speaking countries or countries where English is an official language, but it's not necessarily the most used language. I think at the moment maybe 2 billion people globally speak English, but the Anglosphere, the population of the Anglosphere is a lot less. It's about 400 million, yeah. So what's that? Half a billion, or half an American billion, as they would say. Um, so the Anglosphere. These are countries, the developed countries, which have very close links to each other. Um, let's see. The Anglosphere, this word was first coined or first used by Neil Stevenson. It's quite interesting. Neil Stevenson is a science fiction writer, and I think this he first used in 1995 in a book called Diamond something, I can't remember. Yeah, but this is the Anglosphere. Yeah, the group of English-speaking countries that share common roots in British culture and history. So the point is common roots as well, and I think that's quite an important thing. Countries where the main native language is English, yeah, considered as a group. The countries around the world which the English language and English cultural values are predominant, are the top. Yeah, they share common roots. They share common history. Yeah, and that's why the UK, the US, Australia, New Zealand, and Canada, these go well together. Um, Ireland, yes, but Ireland separated off from the UK, and Ireland is, well, they're definitely English speaking, although the historical roots are maybe somewhat different. Okay, so the Anglosphere. These are the English-speaking nations. They've got close military, political ties. They also, all of them, they speak English. So formality, Anglosphere. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5, a 6 in formality. Use informally just about, better in something semi-formal, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. The Anglosphere.